Samsung's 2026 budget lineup is starting to leak, and buried inside these early details is a phone that could quietly dominate the mid-range market, the Galaxy A37. While most eyes are glued to flagships, Samsung is once again proving that its Galaxy A series is where the real volume game is played, and the A37 looks like a serious upgrade, not a filler device. Credible leaks from tipsters like Abhishek Yadav suggest Samsung is preparing an early 2026 rollout. The Galaxy A37 is expected to launch alongside the Galaxy A57 in the first or second week of February, well ahead of the Galaxy S26 series. This timing is no accident. Samsung wants its mid-range hits in stores before its flagship delays disrupt momentum. Samsung is clearly rewriting its 2026 design language through the A series. Reports also say that the phone is adopting Samsung's raised camera plateau, replacing the old individual plastic camera rings. This isn't just cosmetic, the bump is larger, cleaner, and looks far more premium, closer to Galaxy S series design than older budget models. This same design is rumored to carry forward into the S26 lineup, meaning the A37 is setting the tone. According to leaker Anthony, the A37 will feature a 50-megapixel main camera with a 1 to 1.56-inch sensor, making it the largest camera sensor ever used on a Galaxy A3X device. That's a massive leap. Bigger sensor means better low-light performance, sharper images, improved dynamic range, and more consistent results, areas where Samsung's cheaper phones usually fall short. The Galaxy A37 is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast-wired charging, which is becoming a key selling point for Samsung's mid-range phones in 2026. This already puts it ahead of some flagship models that are still stuck at slower charging speeds. Software support remains one of Samsung's biggest advantages. The Galaxy A37 is expected to ship with Android 16-based One UI 8, and Samsung is reportedly committing to 6 years of OS updates and security patches. That's flagship-level longevity on a budget device, and few Android brands even come close. Performance details for the A37 remain modest compared to the A57, but leaks suggest a balanced focus on efficiency rather than raw power, exactly what this segment needs. Samsung appears more interested in delivering stability, battery life, and camera reliability than chasing benchmark numbers. As for the release date, all signs point to early February 2026, likely in the first or second week. Pricing is expected to stay aggressive, with the Galaxy A37 likely launching around $250 to $300, depending on market and storage configuration. If these leaks hold true, Samsung may have another mid-range bestseller on its hands. Quiet, confident, and dangerously well-rounded.